just wanna see ya. Please give me a sign, yeah. Please give me a sign if you wanna come.
All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know I have a lot explaining to do about where I've been, but it's a long story. But right now we're about to put a slight mod for the 240 right now. As you see in the interior, we have LRB door panels. Shout out to LRB. I have my Sparko Evo 2. This is a new addition, Naruto steering wheel from Christopher. It was in the Ricer Miata, but he didn't like it, so I bought it from him, and just junk. But right up top here, we have, that's nothing, don't worry about that. We have Garage Moon Power floor mats. Shout out to Garage Moon Power. I really wanted floor mats for this vehicle, and I've been waiting for these for a minute, and it'll just add a different look for the interior. I think it will actually complete it for the, you know, touch up of it. But in a couple seconds, you're about to see what these floor mats will look like in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, does a lot for the interior. This is a pink and black checkered from Garage Moon Power. I thought it was gonna be a lot more pink, but you know, who knows, it might just fade a little bit to look better, because I wanted to match the pink theme I have going on with the S14. You know, an explanation of that is that my grandmother is a survivor of breast cancer, and you know, obviously, you know, it means a lot to me that, you know, she survived. She had stage 3, almost stage 4, and if people don't know, stage 4 is actually non-curable. So we were lucky she only had stage 3, but she's healthy now. She's a fighter, I'll tell you that. She's like in her 80s, and she's a fighter. The best trait about her is that she cares more about like us than, you know, her, you know, she wants to see us, you know, doing good. You know, she's a fighter, but you know, first thing she does every time I see her is, are you hungry, or, you know, do you need anything? You know, that's why, you know, the pink represents something more to me than a lot would understand. So, you know, that's a little backstory behind the pink with the car. So but right now we're about to go to the shop because we have a follower that wanted a little side job done for him. He wanted a coilover install, and you know, money's money, so I could make it right now with today's epidemic in the world. So I'll see you guys in the shop in a couple seconds. All right, guys, so I'm at the shop now. Actually, I've been at the shop, but I forgot to pick up the camera as I usually do when I get focused on the work. But right now we're working on Sam's Volvo. What model is it?
It's an S40.
S40. And I haven't really worked on too many European cars before, but it's super self-explanatory. You said it was almost identical to a Speed 3?
Yeah, same. I think it's all the same suspension as a Mazda 3.
Oh, Mazda 3, gotcha. Mazda 3.
Front-wheel drive.
But, you know, almost done with this front driver's side corner. Just got to get it out of the knuckle. Everything else is unbolted, and show the coilovers over here. They're the same exact ones that I have in my car. Max beating rods. I can't complain about them just because for the price I got mine for, they're not bad. And as long as you break them in correctly, they will last you quite a while. You just can't go throw them in and dump them, because that's how the shock absorber inside the coilover will blow out as fast. So I'll update you once I have at least one side completely on, just because I don't want to keep going in and out, in and out, in and out. All right, guys, so a little bit later, wheels are on the driver's side. The only problem with the coilovers in the front is that the tire might hit the coilover itself. This is the problem that I have with my 240, where the offset's not correct, and like the coilover up top with the spring's a little too beefy. but if anything, we'll just raise it so it doesn't hit. And I don't think it should be a problem, but it's like super close. It's like a couple mils to rubbing. So I'm gonna drop it right now. I'm gonna hold it. All right, guys, so a little bit later, the driver's side is adjusted again. I'll show you when it's all down, but the front is on. This one was a little bit of a headache, and the rear is giving me a little bit of headache just taking apart, just because apparently the passenger side just likes to be rusty. But other than that, we just have him at a safe height just so he can get home safely, and then later he's gonna need spacers for the front, and he could probably get spacers for the rear too, just to space it out, give it the track look he wants. But we're getting it done. He'll get home at a reasonable time. He's still got a 3-hour ride home. But Steph showed up. He's washing his Volkswagen. It's been a month since I recorded a video, sir.
What?
Yeah.
Tough, dog. You gotta get on it.
I know. Well, I mean, with the epidemic, I don't have money to buy parts. That's Pete.
Send that shit, fool.
No. But yeah, you guys saw the mats that I put in this morning. I also put in an exhaust, a different exhaust on, and a couple other things I did to the car. I just don't remember.
Honda badges.
No. But during the break, I also bagged my friend's car, Alan's. I'll put a video right here of him airing out. Go. We did that. All right, guys, so the time is now 8:40 something, or 8:30. What is it, 8:36?
8:36.
Yeah, 8:36. And right now he's just test driving the car, make sure it doesn't rub or anything like that. Just because he has a 3-hour drive back home to Tampa. You know, all to him that he drove here, because I'm really the only person that he trusts, I guess, and slash he didn't really have anywhere else to do it. So how you like it?
Pretty good. It's not rubbing at all.
No.
Yeah.
Definitely just gotta adjust the height.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna settle.
Yeah. The rear is still a little gappy, but the front.
Yeah, the front came down a bit.
I know. Yeah, but
Are you rallying the Volvo?
no, the front's a lot better than it was before. The front was just about the same.
Looks good.
Yeah. This side I probably went a little too low.
Yeah.
But
Well, it'll settle a little bit, and I'll just
no, yeah.
get it readjusted anyway.
Yeah, just. All right, guys, so Sam's on his way home right now. Thank you for, trusting me with doing this coilover install in your car. Like I said before, with the economy going down, well, not really the economy, but this coronavirus epidemic going on, my job is slowly cutting hours, and eventually they're probably gonna close down the dealership. So I am not really scrambling, but I'm trying to do as many side jobs as possible, like details, little small installs like that. And yeah, I've been busy with absence of me on YouTube. Like I said, I got the Nardi wheel now on. As you can see, I have a fart cannon on my car now. I'll put an exhaust clip right here. And I went a little lower in the front. Like I said before, I did axle boot replacement on the driver's side. Got those floor mats in, and other than that, I've just been slowly but surely working
and trying to get as much money as possible. It's hard out here right now, but I think that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys are stoked that I'm trying to, you know, come back into the YouTube. But put it in the comments what you guys want to see next. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.